Hello, welcome back to the vlog. Today we are, I don't know what we're doing. It's an off day. We got a few days actually before we bowl. Mikey and I are going to the mall. We're gonna go get lunch. We literally just got out of bed to start doing stuff, and yeah. I don't know if this is our Uber. Chris is currently not with us. It's not our Uber.
It's not a Sonata.
It's not a Sonata. Yeah, I'm sorry, I forgot. I don't know, because the vacuum was loud. But we are bowling today, but not the kind of bowling you may think. Stay tuned. Alright, we made it to the mall. I don't know, what are you getting? I'm gonna go wherever you go.
Really?
Yeah.
I'm gonna survey the premise.
I got bourbon chicken last time, it was pretty good.
I got Tokyo Hut. It's okay, but I might get it again. Just good. Alright. Well, I'm good at making the same mistake twice.
Go wherever Mikey goes. Boom. Alright, so earlier in the week, I went to Lululemon with intentions of buying this sweatshirt. And I said if I shot 300 twice, I would buy it. I only shot 300 once. But we just went back into the store, and they like shifted the entire store, couldn't find it, so I guess I'm just gonna save $100. And I'm okay with that. Who we found at the mall.
Hello, hello.
Bowling minds think alike. Absolutely nothing to do, and we come to the mall to
I don't have a bowling mind.
Actually buy stuff?
I want to shop because I have an addiction to shopping.
Someone's gonna buy something. So some of you may know, if you're sneakerheads, the playoff 12s, today's the what? 12th?
Yeah.
The playoff 12s came out yesterday. I hit on sneakers. Chris did not. Chris's birthday was 2 days ago. And we're here at Champs right now, and they have them in his size. So we're gonna buy them for him, for his birthday. Don't tell Chris. Although when this goes up, he'll already have the shoes. But don't tell him anyways. That's secured.
Are we making hats?
Are we? Is that the plan?
Are we making hats? How many are we making? Just one for each of us?
Or just
1,000,
one?
and we're handing them out.
Or just
all of
one? A
Milwaukee.
demo?
Would the people buy the hats?
Would they buy hats?
And
We need you to
how-
answer. I'm gonna make one, and if you guys answer yes, then we'll make hats.
If
Let
there's
us
a
know down
single,
below
if
in
there's
the
a single
comments.
no, we're not doing
If
it.
there's one no, we're not doing it. Snapbacks only.
You look like a movie character.
All right, guys, what do we think about this hat?
Mikey, not so much for you.
Not so much for
It
me.
gets a little stereotypical with you.
All right, I'm gonna leave it to Packy to finish up on the hats because we gotta meet Chris outside and give him his birthday present. I'm pretty sure he's just picking us up, so that's why. We found them for you. Let's go. The hell? W. W. So we're here at this place called First and Bowl. It's fouling. Bowling? Fouling? I don't know how it's pronounced, but it's bowling with footballs. This will be interesting. So you're the only one that has experience doing this.
I do. I have more experience doing this than playing actual football. When we used to play football in like high school, I was always a receiver because I can't throw, but I can catch.
I'm gonna assume we're gonna be on the same team.
Yeah, we're gonna get crushed.
No. Have some faith. I got you. So this place is pretty cool. They got their main attraction, the football bowling. They got cornhole. They got some Connect 4 basketball. There's a bar, some arcade games. Literally like the only thing for us to do while we're out here in Wauwatosa? Waukesha? Waukesha? Wherever we are. But yeah, we have a lot of days off and we might end up coming back. Okay, so our reservation at the fouling place is not until 9 o'clock. It's currently 8:30. No, 7:30? 7:30. So we're here at Dave & Buster to kill some time before we play the football bowling. Alright, after messing up some games at Dave & Buster's, we're back. We're gonna try this fouling. Fouling? Fouling?
Buckets on the basketball game.
Fouling?
I still got a little bit of that stroke.
Yeah, mine was better than expected. A lot of my shots were short though, but no legs.
like a war zone out here. Footballs flying everywhere. Aaron Rodgers? Disgusting.
How's it going?
It's good. Got recent. Gotta try to get the distance down. I feel like I've been overthrowing it a little bit, so I'm gonna try to dial it in.
I'm trying. Yo, what are the odds?
The ever popular 1-7-10 versus 1-7-10 in Valley.
This is really hard. Also, I'm trying really hard to make sure nothing hits the camera.
It looks so good for so long, and then it's just not it.
The distance, we just don't have the field. Come on.
It's not nearly cute.
No. Chris is unstoppable at
The
this.
absolute 1-7-10.
Oh my god, he picked up a 1-7-10.
Unbelievable.
Hitting one pin's hard enough. He picked up 3. Furthest away possible. In
Is
one shot.
1-7-10 a common leave in fouling? Like if you're a professional fouler, let us know.
Is it fouling or is it bowling?
It's a good question.
I need to know. Let us know in the
Maybe it would be foaling. Yeah, I didn't even think about it.
I've been thinking about it the entire time since we got here.
Yeah, I guess it would be foaling.
Hard game. Hard game. Well, that's it. Chris is a beast at just about anything. Mikey and I are dog water throwing football. But we had a good time. Maybe we're just tired. Yeah, we're not bad. We're just tired.
Got caught.
It's a different swing.
Different swing. I don't have this swing. Oh man. All right. Well, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Comment something funny. Make us laugh. We've been reading the comments again. Say something funny. Please. We'll see you in the next vlog. Thanks for watching.